Meteorologist Kyle Mounts here. Want to update you on our severe weather potential as we go into our Thursday afternoon and evening. Lots of heat and humidity across central Indiana as that cold front sweeps through. The chance for more storms heading into this evening. That's why much of central Indiana has been upgraded to that slight risk. Gusty winds, isolated tornadoes, and some large hail all in play here as we go through the late afternoon and the early evening. Here's a look at that timeline. A few isolated storms as we get into the early evening hours, and then TrueCast showing a more solid line of potentially severe storms working into the western portion of the state around 9 o'clock. Has a gradual weakening trend as it moves to the east. We'll keep you updated.